Modern applications are increasingly built using composable cloud-native services like API management, Azure Container Apps, and cloud databases. This architecture offers speed, scalability, and flexibility. But when issues arise, debugging across these interconnected layers can be time consuming. Identifying where the failure originated becomes a real challenge, especially when the clock is ticking and users are impacted. So we have a production app using APIM to expose APIs which are connected to the ACA backend. Suddenly, multiple customers are reporting that the API is timing out. And now I go and check the API endpoint in API management and see HTTP 503 error. But now let's see how SRE Agent solves this problem for me. I open SRE Agent, which is managing this app, and I tell it APIM is returning 500 errors. The agent immediately lists first all the resource groups that have the APIM resource, and I pick the second one that's actually sending the 503 errors. SRE Agent confirms that the APIM is in fact unhealthy, which matches the experience I'm having right now. It then figures out that there is a container wrap backend connected to this API management, so it looks at the container wrap to figure out if that can explain the 503 errors. And now, based on the errors it got from the container wrap backend, it's able to confirm that hypothesis. It further figures out that the container wrap backend is restarting due to a memory leak. It suggests a mitigation to scale out the backend resource, and I will go ahead and approve this action as I care about bringing the service back up now. Next step is for me to go fix the source code for the container app backend. But in just few minutes, I have diagnosed and mitigated a multi-layer issue without jumping between dashboards. This is what SRE Agent brings to modern app teams: a smarter way to operate distributed systems, reduce time to resolution, and keep your app running smoothly even in complex scenarios.